Hi everyone, we got another ice storm overnight, and if you remember one of my latest videos, I was able to climb my Tesla up this icy hill with my all-season tires. That video became very popular, a lot of positive and negative comments. People commented that it's not just a Tesla, that any SUV capable enough of climbing an icy hill should be able to do it. Well, today, I've got a very capable SUV behind me. I've got this 2021 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon with these massive tires. Yeah, I know, some of you will complain, oh, wider tires means it's not gonna grip as well. Well, check this out. These are mud and snow grippy tires, which should grip very well. So we're gonna put this car to the test to see how it compares against the Tesla. By the way, this time around, I've got some salt for the aftermath. So check this out. We are on top of my driveway, and as you can see, there's water flowing, or there was water flowing, and now it is all ice. And look how slippery it is. Shoot. Okay, so the thing is, because of the slope of the driveway, we get pushed this way. So that's probably the area that we want to avoid with the Tesla. With the Jeep, since it's got very high sidewalls, even if we hit the curb, we should be okay. So let's try with the Tesla first and see how it does once again. But first I have to put the Tucson out of the way in case we come flying down this driveway. We're not gonna hit the car. And I'm sorry, how amazing is that? You saw, this is pure ice, and the Tesla is parked on ice. So let's see once again if I can get the car going. Ouch. So as you could tell, there was no trouble for the Tesla to get up this hill on all-season tires. So now let's test out the Jeep. And of course, with the Jeep, after we start it up, we're gonna put it in four-wheel drive, auto, because I'm a simple man. We're also going to lock the diff. Okay, so what exactly happened? I was able to climb up the hill, but as I was coming down, I wanted to stop, and it started sliding down. So let's try this again. We're gonna position the car in the middle of this driveway, and we're gonna see if I can stop in the middle and then get going again. Okay, so even though I was able to get up the hill, as you could tell, and as you saw firsthand, getting going was quite impossible. It was actually so impossible that I started sliding down, and I got so close to the curb that I wanted to call it quits, because I do not want to damage my friend's car. So this is where it's gonna stay. I'm gonna put salt on it, and this is how I'm gonna get out. But yeah, this goes to show you that not just any SUV will be able to climb up an icy hill. Tesla will be able to do it because of the fact that it's heavy. It's got electric motors which can regulate torque extremely efficiently, as opposed to a gasoline powered engine where you have a gas pedal. So that's the reason. And again, fantastic tires on this one, all season tires on the Tesla, and it was still able to do it. So let me know what you think of this video. Now I'm gonna put some salt and try to get out because this is quite embarrassing for the Jeep. This is not trickery. So there you have it. This proves once again that Tesla's all-wheel drive system on all-season tires, as I shall now show you once again. There's a lot of disbelievers there. See, Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tires. Superior traction control, superior all-wheel drive system. So let's see what you have to say. And on that note, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.